It's about creating content that really feels organic for both of you, that weaves your brand right into that influencer's narrative in a way that feels natural and engaging to their audience. Why does this matter, Tracy? Well, let me tell you. Because Instagram, my friends, is more than just a visual platform. It's really a community built on genuine connections and stories. Yeah. Whenever you see these, oh, wow, look at this, man, 3 million views, there's a story there. There's some authenticity there. And I'm not talking about the ones where people are just bumping and grinding and doing these silly things. I'm talking about the other content. It's the authenticity. That, my friends, is the heartbeat of this community that's there. The community that you want to build. It's about being true to your values, to your brand's values, to your mission, and your aesthetic, whatever it might be. So in both reels and stories, I want you to remember something here. Authenticity is key.